feeling lose with this one, but hello everyone, Takis here, and welcome back to another Spice review. Takis explosion. Let's just get into it. Oh, shit. Yes, these were previously opened. Friend tried them, said they were okay. They look like they got grill marks on them. Meh. Smell okay. Smell like a spicy liquid chip dip. Liquid cheese dip, I don't know. Are these the right chip? I was promised an explosion of flavor. I mean, I can taste the peppers, the salsa, and the cheese, but where's the spice? There's probably... Okay, yeah. What the hell? 5 out of 10 on the spice scale. Can't believe it's finally happened. A Takis product that has thoroughly disappointed me. Oh wait, bumped it up to a 5.5. Okay, but yeah. Honestly, it just tastes like the cheesy popcorn you get at the like a spicy version of the cheesy popcorn you get in those holiday tins. Those holiday popcorn tins. You know the ones I'm talking about. Buttered popcorn, caramel corn and cheesy corn. But seriously though, the first Takis product to actually disappoint me. What a disappointment. Make sure you're... Okay, wrap it up here. Like the video, subscribe, ding ding ding, notification bell. Don't miss any future uploads. Comment down below, tell me what I should try next. Stay awesome. Associate shows down in the description below. Stay awesome. Takis signing off. See ya. Bye-bye.